What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to get a refund for purchases from the App Store. If you've ever made a purchase on the App Store that you regret, whether it's an accidental download, a disappointing app, or an unauthorized purchase by someone else using your device, Apple provides a straightforward process to request a refund. Open the App Store on your iPhone. At the top right corner of the app interface, you see your profile icon. Tap on it. Among the options presented, tap on Purchased to view a list of all apps that you've bought or downloaded using your Apple ID. Remember, this list includes both paid and free apps. However, the App Store itself doesn't offer a direct way to request a refund. To do so, you need to exit the App Store and open Safari or any other web browser on your device. Navigate to Apple's Report a Problem webpage at reportaproblem.apple.com. This is where you can manage issues with your purchases. Once you're on the page, you likely need to sign in with your Apple ID, the same one you use for App Store purchases. After logging in, select the option that says, "I'd like to request a refund." You'll then be asked to provide a reason for the refund request. Common reasons include accidental purchases or dissatisfaction with the app. The specific reason you choose isn't crucial. What's important is that you accurately convey your desire for a refund. After selecting your reason, you'll be prompted to choose the specific app or item you want a refund for from the list of recent purchases. Select the item and then submit your refund request. It's important to note that submitting a refund request doesn't guarantee that you'll receive one. Apple reviews these requests on a case-by-case basis. However, if your request is legitimate, then there's a good chance you'll have the purchase amount credited back to the payment method associated with your Apple ID, typically within a few days. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.